Welcome to Fire Rat's Playground. Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to talk about Terrarium TV. It's back, and here's how you install it on your Android device. Deadpool 2, Wonder Woman. Uh, these are just some of the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie. Alrighty, everybody. Today we're going to show you how to install it on your device. It's back. Here's how you install it on your Android device, and we're going to show you how to do that. As of right now, as we're saying, the original Terrarium TV by Nitro Xenons. Okay, it says a new version found 9.9.9, and I got a message from a friend stating that this version has no longer been thing, and he was trying to think because that's where he watches his TV, his movies. That's where he got rid of his cable because of Terrarium TV and got a Google Chromecast. So what it says is version 9.9.9. Dear all, it's always been a great pleasure to work on this project. However, it's time to say goodbye. I'm going to shut down Terrarium TV forever. I know this day will come eventually. I know it would be hard to let it go, but it's really time for me to move on to other projects. Thank you for all your support through the years. Thanks to all Terrarium supporters and communities that you, Nick, and all the people around the world who care about this project. Please note that you'll not be able to open Terrarium TV app after the end of September, as the app will close itself. Please do not try to click the update button because it will not download any new versions of the app. Thank you and farewell. Best regards, Nitro Xenon. Terrarium TV. Rest in peace. RIP. September 11, 2018. So I got that, and he said at the end of September. Okay. But it was dead the day I got this message. So I couldn't do anything. So I was sitting around wondering what to do, and I found another program called I forget what it's called. It's called I got it here. Um, it's called Morpheus TV. Now Morpheus TV is no longer in service either. It's part of Aptoid, and it was another option to bring up. I don't have anything to show on the screen right now, so I do apologize. So as we put it that way, Terrarium TV is what it is. So we're going to go back to showing you how to install Terrarium TV. And people out there, there are always people, developers that make apps that share out APKs that are games that you can buy off the store that you pay for, the Android marketplace. And this is for any Android device, Android TV. This is for Android phones, and so on and so on. Now, I know there is a fix for Fire Stick, but you have to search for that. I know that there is. So I'm going to go and install this on my PC through BlueStacks, and we'll show you that it's actually working. Okay. So this is the Terrarium TV. We're going to show you that now on your Android device, and we're going to show you how to install it. Okay. So you go to a site called droidadmin.com. Okay. We're going to go there right now. Droid, D-R-O-I-D, droidadmin.com. So it takes you there. Now we're here at droidadmin.com. Now it is the #1 bulk downloader tool for all your Android devices. I found this through another source, and I want to share it with you guys because I'm a YouTube and content creator, and I know Terrarium TV is my only way for TV and movies. I like it because I can use my Xbox One, stream my phone through. It's called it's another Chromecast, Allcast, and I share it to my TV. My Allcast plays up on my TV through my Xbox or my smart TV, which better works for the Xbox, and I can watch any movie in high def resolution. I remember watching Meg, uh, Deep Blue Sea 2, the one with the shark, with Samuel Jackson, the first one. We watched the second one. I also watched Megalodon, and like I said, the new Beauty and the Beast live action one Disney filmed. And they were all amazing. Not all of them are DVD rips, they're camcorders, anything. But all it does is pretty much do what Android TV does, finds all the hashtags, all the links to servers that host them. So you want to see your file? Let's do this. So now we have, click on the file link, download it. So I'm going to download the APK. I'm going to save it to my computer. As you see, it's downloading right here, and it's fully downloaded. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the APK, and I'm going to open that up in BlueStacks. I'm going to add that to BlueStacks. So let's go install APK. Okay. So we click on install APK, and I go to my C drive. I go down to the directory I have called Terrarium TV. Click on this. The APK is file linked. It's just installing it now. It's installed. You click on it. I got 50 points. I don't know. They got some point system now. You can buy a BlueStacks gaming mouse. It's weird. So the application is initializing. So now it asks to enter the code. Now we have the code right here. So it's 16248. 16248. So let's go to BlueStacks. 16248. And it is 248134. 134. And it's clicked. Now you're in. Now, the person that's given out this link that has the cracked version, I do want to give him credit. You can see here to Triple M's file link store. So I want to thank you to Triple M's file link store for everything here. And I do want to say there's all his links. So if you guys want to pause and click all those down, you guys can. So you hit dismiss. Now he has the MX Player version 11. If you want to download that, he has Terrarium TV. He has a good VPN. Yes Player, which is a great player if you want to use that with Terrarium. Now you guys can sit here. It says, you want to know about the new file link content and upcoming features? Join our email list and learn about file link to get maximum benefits. You will learn how to stay safe online and receive internet safety tips. Additionally, you can look forward for an exclusive VPN discount, which you could get the welcome mail. Your address will be 100% secure, and we will not share any information with anyone. Click subscribe to subscribe. So if you click subscribe, you type in your email, like I will type in mine. And then that's it. And then you hit subscribe. And then it goes, congratulations, you've subscribed to our newsletter. Check our email box right now to get exclusive VPN coupons and instructions. Look out for an email from file linked. It can take up to 2 minutes. All right. So we're going to dismiss that. So we're going to click on download to Terrarium TV. So the download is being started, as you guys can see right there. If you guys are here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out all our other videos on our channel, The Fire Rats Playground. We've been doing Dirge of Cerberus, Final Fantasy VII. The audio in Final Fantasy VII videos are very low, so I would recommend cranking it. I was being dumb and thought I was going louder, and it's a DFX audio enhancer was on, and it was too loud, so I thought it wasn't normal volume. So we click on now, guys. Now it's fully downloaded. We click on this. Also, guys, if you want to check out Malock Gaming, check out Malock Gaming on Vueki, Vueki.com. We'll have links in the description below to his site, my channel on Vueki, and you guys check it out. We're beta testers for that YouTube content creating style site, Canadian owned and operated. So check that out. Join today, and I'll start uploading videos. They do have a revenue system that's going to be coming very soon, and me and Malock Gaming will be the ones beta testing that, and other people that want to get involved in that. Right now, so do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Yes, I'll click install. It will ask you guys if you want to install it on your system from other sources. You go in, click on that on your phone, and accept from third-party sources. Okay, it all depends what version of Android you are using. I have Android 9 and it works great. I found a crack yesterday night and the night before, and it didn't have the movie section working. So my buddy sent me a link to a video of it being done, and I tried it and it worked. So I'm sharing this with you from my point of view. So we go open. Here's Terrarium TV. We're going to blow it up full screen. Allow Terrarium to access your files. Yes. Now Terrarium TV. Important. Starting from version 1.9.10, only devices with the Android OS version 4.1 or newer are supported. Don't worry. This change should only affect a small majority of users. More Google video links, more fast server links, added new providers, added new host, fix the bugs which can make TV scraping fails, fix existing providers, fixing URL resolvers, performance improvements, remove some sensitive permissions, disable broken providers, and version 1.19 added more what it says here, broken providers, 9.8 urgent fix, stop loading TV metadata, and you guys can see all the stuff that it's done in the different versions out there. But the reason is, it's not the software that's finished. It's the people that actually just stopped from the actual app loading. I've never had issues with Terrarium TV, and it's what saved me from watching all my shows commercial free, on demand, high definition, some Canadian channels they recorded, and a lot more. So it's been a great ride to have this with you guys. And it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. As you can see, it just keeps going and going and going. Okay? So it goes, yes, the best player recommended, less video ads. Or you can go VLC player, MX player. I prefer MX player, but I'm just going to choose yes as the best. You can always come in and choose it. I don't really care because it is what it is. Okay. So here's the policy 1.9.10. Copyright Reddit R Terrarium TV policy. The link here, and then DMC takedown contract, subtitle service provided. Terrarium TV is an online file search engine and browser. It acts like a client-side web crawler to crawl the scrape hyperlinks that are already available on the internet for you. This app is for educational purposes and personal use only. All media files and hyperlinks should be deleted within 24 hours after you have saved them. You're accepting the privacy policy. You click accept by accessing and using of the services you are accepting and agreeing to practices described in the privacy policy. Starting May 25th, 2018, only non-personalized ads will be shown to users in the EEA. Non-personal data or information will be collected from users in the EEA. It just says Terrarium TV links, files. You can see all that. I'm just going to let you guys read that yourself. And then I'll read it anyways. Terrarium TV contains only links to other sites on the internet. It doesn't not host or upload any videos, films, or media files. It does not store any media streams, links, or any in its servers. It's not to record or store any media files, links that can be found on the internet. Its servers. The maker of Terrarium TV takes no responsibility for how Terrarium is used, and Terrarium does not track or store any information regarding browsing, streaming, activity of its users. Terrarium TV simply aggregates links and convenient, user-friendly interface. Terrarium TV is not responsible for any accuracy complaints, copyright, legal, tenancy, or any other aspect of the content of linked sites. If you have any legal issues, please contact appropriate media file owners or host sites. Any legal issues regarding the free online TV shows, movies on the application should be taken up within the actual file host providers as themselves. Okay, so in case, and then it provides themselves as we're not affiliated with them. In case of copyright infringement, please directly contact the responsible parties or the streaming websites. Terrarium operates as such as a search engine of TV shows, movie contents found publicly available on the internet. If you guys are listening to this, skip ahead. Parental conducting in the same way. Google, however, Terrarium TV strongly believes in protection of intellectual properties and would be willing to assist when applicable. The videos are streamed directly from third-party video sharing services, and other trademarks, logos, and images are the property of their respective and rightful owners. Terrarium has no control. Terrarium TV has no control over what media it puts up or takes down. It merely scrapes third-party websites and is publicly accessible via regular web browsers. It is the responsibility of the user to avoid any actions that might violate the laws governing his or her locally used Terrarium TV at your own risk. Showbox is another one that's out there that's been out there for a while. And the reason is it's just like Project Free TV, uh, some other one I forget. Viewit.ca I think it is, not Viewit. But there was other ones. You can go to websites and watch TVs and all that. But Project Free was the best one. So I accept the thing. Now we're in. As you guys can see, all the TV shows and all the stuff. Then we go over here. We can go to movies. You guys can see all the movies. Like, let's say Predator. I don't know if it's up yet. Let's see if Predator. So you can click here, watch now. Okay. And it goes, keep videos buffering. Got it. Don't show it again. It tries all of them, right? Like Google Video, Amazon Drive, AWS Fast Server, FB Fast Server, Dropbox Fast Server, MF Fast Server, Canadian Fast Server, Canadian, OK.ru, the video cloud, Upload Haven, Hydrex, and try them. And then I say, don't show this. Okay, so there's a cam version of the movie in HD. Okay, cam, because you can tell by the different video size. So we'll go with the one. Click there. We'll go with the one, say Stream Go. Okay. I can download, play with movies. You get the point where it is what they choose. But I'm gonna click this. I'm just gonna go play. Your Terrarium needs to install a player. So what it's gonna do is gonna bring up. I'm gonna try to install MX Player. I'm gonna do to Yes Player. We'll go install, accept. I'm downloading it. Okay. Now we can go back. I'm going to grab from the website. So we get oh, it's in BlueStacks. Sorry. Terrarium TV. Let's go file linked. I'm going to grab MX Player from him. I'm going to download that. As you guys can see, it's coming down. I already have Yes Player. FreeFlix HQ he has as well. I'm just going to download that. It's installing now, so I can pick which player I want. Done. I'm going to see. We're going to get his Yes Player. Maybe there might be a new version. Don't know. Let's see his Yes Player has been. Install. New. Done. Terrarium TV and MX Player. So we could go back now and just give you a little rundown. So there is some of the new movies that are here on Terrarium TV. All right, so it's just got notifications coming in like you're on Android. Deadpool 2, Wonder Woman, Uh, these are just some of the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie. Um, I like. I'm actually wanting to see the movie with. Or I just saw it here. It's with. You know what? I don't like how the mouse works on this. I like to see Skyscraper with Dwayne Johnson. It looks really, really good. The new Spider-Man 2017 looks good. You got that. So let's go. We go back to the three lines, guys, and we can go to shows, and it shows all your TV shows. You can watch all your Big Brother from 2000. You can watch Ballers. That's on HBO with Dwayne Johnson, Master Chef, BoJack Horseman, and the whole nine yards. Okay. So if you go to your settings, you can do TV calendar as well. You can go down. I'm going to do it with my mouse. Choose as your video default player, right? I'm going to choose MX Player on mine because I like MX Player. Filter out non-English TV shows. You can do that. Okay. Show HD links only. High definition links only if you want. For me, I'm going to do the high definition. I don't want the low definition. I want the higher version. Filter out the cam version links. So you can filter out bad quality links automatically. So it takes out the camcorder shots in the movie theater. But I'm going to leave it because some of the movies are in camcorder that you can't watch. Performance, parallel scrolling, auto-resolve HD links only. And then you can log into Terrarium TV, which I'm going to show you what that is. You can authorize. I'm already a member of it from the previous app. Okay. So I'm going to sign in to my account. And then you sign into your account. You just put your code, the code in at the top right here. Okay, where the mouse pointer. And that's FA3FE7AD. Okay. You're logged in. Allow deleted to use your account. I'm already authorized. I'm already in. Done. Okay. And then you can log out, auto check in, auto check when you start watching a movie episode. So it checks it off that you've watched that episode so you don't watch it again. Auto add a favorite or movie to track collection. So Terrarium or whatever you spell it. Watched it up. Download watched history. Always ask continue playback option. Default TV shows. Default category or dream. Choose default movies or whatever. Choose synopsis language. UI modem. Medium poster size. Show seasonal specials. Yes, I want to show season specials. Hide unaired episodes. Hide posters. Hide titles out of the year. Hide episode thumbnails. Synopsis. Force Android into Android TV mode. Force Android TV mode. Displays Android TV layout forceability. Force landscape mode. Simple scrolling on Android TV. Choose the show provider and show providers enabled. And there's all your show providers that are enabled. You can see them all. Okay. And then movie providers enabled. All your movie providers, all the links you want to it to show. Okay. And then there is the LUCIP key. And choose a default download manager, your storage, a media path for only for Android, which it will be in that. You can set whatever path for your subtitles. Traditional language, English, font size, auto backing up before updating. Auto backup before updating, yes, I want to do that. Backup and restore, all your favorites. And then you can clear cache, change log, privacy policy, and open subtitles. So that's the settings. And then you got your favorites over here. If you save the show, let's say I want to put Suits in. I want to save it. I go back. I go to my favorites. There's my TV show saved. Same goes for the movies. And then the three lines are filter what years of shows you want to watch. You want to go back and watch, and you can watch all your shows. And then the three lines are your official websites, Reddit, DMCA, translators, and about Terrarium TV. and then you go to your settings like we were just at. Okay? So that's what's happening there. So I just want to say, guys, thanks for tuning in to this. If you're watching this, you can also change the trending to new shows preparing, airing today, most played, most watched, top rated, Netflix list, Amazon list, Hulu list, YouTube Red, action and adventure, science, fantasy, mystery, crime, drama, comedy, family, western, war, politics, soaps, reality, documentary, kids, and animation are all the categories that are listed here in the actual things. So I just want to say thank you guys. We're at the trending videos. Thank you guys for watching this on here. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything, ask in the comment section below. You can also message me on up and about me. You can send me a direct message. You guys seen my email address. If you have anything you want to email, no spam, please. Nothing like that. No viruses, please, via email. And I just want to say thank you for tuning in to that. We have a TV calendar. Shows all your shows. Okay. Look at old Judge Judy. So that's your TV calendar for Friday. And then your downloads would be your download section, your finished progress if you want to download the videos and watch them later like a PVR. Okay, guys, thanks again for tuning in. You see the time, what it is? It's Eastern Standard Time at 5 p.m. The date is, you can see on the TV calendar, the date today is the 2018, so it's September 21st, 2018, Friday. Okay, I'm going to favorite that. There's no favorites in my TV calendar listings. But as you guys see here, this is Terrarium TV. Okay, as we bring that to you. And I just want to say, Terrarium TV is back, and here's how to install it on your Android device, guys, and I want to appreciate it all. Thank you so much for tuning in to this, and you have a great day, and you take care. Check out our newly videos coming daily for now, and I hope you like what's going on Fire Rats Playground or on Fire Rats Playground on Vueki.com as well, Vueki.com. Thanks again. Check out Malock Gaming. Malock Gaming is on YouTube and on Vueki.com. He's playing Final Fantasy VII Crisis Core right now. So give him a check, comment, like, and subscribe. And take care. Thank you once again.